civilization has been variously defined as a cultural area, a collection of cultural characteristics and phenomena. This is one definition. Another one says a particular concentration of worldview, customs, structures and culture, both material and high culture, are what is to be civilization. In the 19th century, France, the term civilization was used exactly in the same sense as Germans use the term culture. Therefore, a particular original process of cultural creativity, which is the work of a particular people, was defined as civilization. Matthew Malko considers civilization is a totality, which means that in civilization, cultural aspect, thought aspect, all are put together. Then you find another Western author telling us that civilization and culture both refer to the overall way of life of a people, and a civilization is a culture writ large. They both involve values, norms, institutions and modes of thinking to which successive generations in a given society have attached primary importance. Now, here you find both converging, which means that we cannot draw a hard and fast line between what is culture, what is civilization, and quite often one term is used for the other meaning. So, when we say culture or civilization, we are referring to quite often some parts of culture and sometimes the whole totality. We will see in next few minutes how Islam looks on it and then try to develop a comprehensive understanding of this term. Sam Huntington, a contemporary scholar, thinks civilization is thus the highest cultural grouping of people and the broadest level of cultural identity people have. It is defined both by common objective elements such as language, history, religion, custom, institution, and by the subjective self-identification of people. Civilizations are mortal, but also very long-lived. This is please move slide. I am on 2.3. So, here we find that Sam Huntington is saying nearly same thing which was said earlier by some Western writers, that we cannot draw a line between culture and civilization. We cannot say culture is only values and civilization is only its manifestation. Sometimes both converge together. A historian from Europe, Arnold J. Toynbee, approaches the issue from a historian viewpoint. He says that rise of civilization as a response to challenge, growth of creative minority, followed by time of troubles, rise of a universal state and its disintegration. That culture and civilization are linked together in a way that they are responsible for creativity, and quite often, next slide please, 2.4. What he considers is that a creative minority becomes the carrier of culture. Civilization and culture is imbibed by a small group, and this group, which is creative minority, ultimately influences, affects the whole society, and in this way a culture or civilization develops. This is a historical approach taken by Arnold J. Toynbee, because he considers that civilizations and cultures sometimes rise and die because of that failure of minority.